Welcome. Get ready to revitalize and lift your energy anywhere at any time. It will also calm you and oxygenate your entire body. Try this outdoors in nature for added benefits. Let's get to it. Breathe in your own timing for a few breaths. Feel your feet flat on the ground. Focus on your inhale and take it into your feet. Hold. Exhale. Lift your spine up and out of your hips. Focus on your inhale and take it into your elongated spine. Hold. Exhale. Roll your shoulders up, down and back. Focus on your inhale and take it into your shoulders. Hold. Exhale. Focus on your inhale and take it into your chest and heart. Hold. Exhale, feeling an expansion across your chest and your heart. See your belly gently rising and falling as you breathe naturally. Focus on your abdomen and inhale a long, expansive breath. Hold. Exhale and contract. Squeeze your belly towards your spine. Focus on your jaw and inhale a long, relaxed breath. Hold. Exhale. Open your jaw slightly and allow your tongue to rest wherever is comfortable for you. Focus on your face and inhale a long, relaxed breath. Hold. Exhale and consciously relax every muscle in your face, particularly around your eyes. Inhale an extra long breath. Keep breathing in until your belly is full and expanded. Smile, hold. Exhale and contract. Squeeze your belly towards your spine, expelling all the air completely. Breathe naturally. Inhale an extra long breath. Keep breathing in until your belly is full and expanded. Smile, hold, exhale and contract. Squeeze your belly towards your spine, expelling all the air completely. Breathe naturally. Smile as you take your awareness one last time to your feet. You may wiggle your toes, then your belly, squeezing your belly towards your spine with the exhale, your chest open, shoulders down and back, jaw and face relaxed. Your entire body is comfortable and energized with life-giving oxygen. That brings our time together to a close. Thank you so much for spending it with me. I appreciate it very much. If you've received some value from this meditation, please leave a comment or click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel where you can explore many more meditations. Breathe, wear a smile, blessings galore for a fabulous rest of the day, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.